ready to hit the road with maximum protection. Let's dive into how to snag full coverage car insurance with Geico. Walking through the key pieces and ensuring you're completely covered. First, let's break down the core components. Starting with liability coverage, this is absolutely crucial. It covers the costs if you're responsible for an accident, including bodily injury and property damage to others. Next up, collision coverage. If you're involved in an accident with another vehicle or a stationary object, collision handles the damage to your car, regardless of who is at fault. Then, we have comprehensive coverage. This offers protection from events beyond collisions, things like theft, vandalism, fire, or even hitting an animal. However, it is important to understand what a Geico policy doesn't cover. Things like intentional damage or wear and tear are generally excluded. Check the fine print of your policy and consider uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage so you're protected if the other driver is at fault and does not have car insurance. Now let's choose a specific plan that meets your needs. Consider your driving history, the value of your car, and your budget when deciding. Review your policy regularly and adjust coverages as your life changes. Make sure you understand your deductibles. This is the amount of money you'll pay out of pocket before Geico kicks in. Finally, Geico offers great resources. Their app allows you to manage your policy with ease. Plus, their team is readily available to help you select the right coverage, review your policy, and ensure you are prepared for anything on the road. Always drive safe.